So, new development. Yes, you'll notice I am back in LA again on the 5. It is, I don't know, 8:30 in the morning. I had to get up this morning at 5:30 just to get here in time. So what's going on? Why am I back in LA? What could possibly be wrong with me? Well, it's pretty simple actually. A buddy of mine, actually former employer, his name is Stefan Fantini, who owns Sage and Sound Recorders in Hollywood. Apparently his beautiful studio is being demolished by a developer, and he and I got in touch with each other, and he said pretty much all the infrastructure, you know, windows, some doors, gobos, wood paneling, acoustic stuff, he doesn't need. It's all going in the dumpster. And he's like, if you can get up here today, you got about 5 hours to take everything you want. So I'm headed to Hollywood right now with a car full of tools to tear everything apart. At the moment, I'm not moving very fast. No shout out to the guys at the Valley Center U-Haul. I went to go get a U-Haul there this morning because they said they're open at 6. Come to find out they are not open at 6. They open at 8. The website is wrong, and that sucked because I basically had to hire Carter Humphrey, whom you guys have seen in our credits before. He's renting a U-Haul, and he's going to show up with that in Hollywood and drive everything all the way down to San Diego today, and drive it back to his family waiting for him back in Pasadena. So there you go. Unexpected turn, but I'll shoot some footage of us taking stuff out of the studio. It's a really cool place, and it's sad that Hollywood has turned into this real estate investment nightmare. It's chased out a lot of really good stuff. At any rate, you'll see more. Here in the studio, we've already started dismantling some of these panels. I'm taking all this stuff home with me. Windows are coming out. Yeah, that's true. We should put the theme song in the background. I got Mr. Carter Humphrey, Matt Higdon, and of course my producer, director, Axel here. All right, up we go. Glasses down. Don't drop it.
All right, it's going. It's going.
Oh yeah. Don't break it. Is it just a low spot in the frame? So maybe you need to pull it.
Here, we score it. Yeah.
Nothing.
Let's try to slide this. Oh yeah, we got to put slide the bottom a little bit down. That way we can kind of have a little bit more of a 50 coats of paint or something like that. Here.
So it's actually binding up on that header.
Oh, now it's stuck. Here, hold on.
Well, here, your side, I can slide it this way. That one, I can do. Come on, you know you want to come, baby.
Don't break it.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh. Got another.
Can we kick it out down?
Oh.
That's what I would try.
Well, let's see if we can pop it.
There you go.
Oh.
It's out.
Yeah. Put it up against the...
So in a wonderful twist of fate, our very own Axel freaking sliced his thumb. There's freaking blood all over the floor. It looks like a Hollywood murder scene in here. I don't know what to say.
Sorry.
He went after a piece of glass. So we're making progress. Got some doors, some panels, some glass. One of the pieces of glass didn't survive, unfortunately. Mr. Carter here was, he destroyed it. I can't say I blame him. I mean, this sucker cemented in there pretty tight, but
More like time lost.
yeah, we did lose some time on it, but whatever. Right now we're just going after all these panels and Like I said, we got most of the glass, well, all the glass that can be salvaged. We're just going to keep working on these panels.
Oh, no.
Everyone wants to hear that. Oh, and that's the part I like. Yeah, let's get that crowbar in here. And
I just need a flat.
yeah, I got it. We're strapping the glass in. I hope it makes the trip. Glass like this is can snap pretty easily if the pressure is not equally applied. So I was reading up on how to transport glass last night. This is really not the way to do it, but this is what I got. We're going to put some pressure over the front of this thing, and hopefully it will survive and strip to San Diego. We ended up breaking one of the window glasses trying to get it out. As you saw, Axel cut his finger and bled everywhere.
And I stepped on a nail.
Yeah.
Which is not ideal.
No. We got Senior Tool over here not figuring out how to strap something. I don't know if that's all about.
It's my hand.